Okay, we're back on here. We're running from the clean out in the underneath the basement here, 2-inch clean out. We located this outside, approximately about 7 feet 2 inches deep. This is all ABS plastic, which all looks like it's in pretty good condition. We're gonna go ahead and bring the camera back. So this is approximately about 7 feet 1 inch deep out there in the front. All ABS plastic coming back. This is all in good condition. Coming underneath the house now. All ABS plastic. All this looks good coming back. Okay, we should be coming into this basement area shortly here. Still ABS plastic, all in good condition. Section of cast iron. Back to ABS plastic. Here we are in the basement. So that's all good. So we're going to go ahead and stop the recording.